Are you tired of missing deadlines because you can't find the due date field in Jira? In 2 minutes, you'll know exactly how to set one. I'll show you the exact steps. Open your project, select a task, find the details section, and set the due date. Let's go. Start by logging into your Jira account. This is the part where most people think they need some special admin access or a complicated plugin, but honestly, it's much simpler than that. You just need to be inside your standard Jira software project. So go ahead and pull up your dashboard.
Take a second to make sure you're on the right instance, the one where your actual work lives. From the left panel, open your project. You'll see a list of all your projects on the left-hand sidebar. Click on the one you're working on. If you're anything like me, you probably have a dozen projects and you're never sure which one has that one urgent task. No worries, just find your main board. Once you click it, you'll land on the main list or board view where all your tasks are sitting. Now click on the task you want to edit. It doesn't matter if it's a bug, a story, or a simple to-do. Just click right on the issue key or the summary. That will open up the task's full detail view. This is where the magic happens. You'll see the description, the comments, and all the fields you can fill out. Scroll down to find the details section. Most people get stuck here because they look at the top of the page and they don't see due date anywhere. You have to scroll just a little. Look for the section that usually has the labels like Reporter or Priority. The Details panel is your best friend in Jira. It's where all those important time-based fields live. Click the Due Date field and choose your date. And here's the really important part. You'll see a small calendar icon or a text box that says None when it's empty. Just click on that area. A little calendar pop-up will appear. You can either type the date in directly or click around the calendar to find the right day. I always recommend clicking it manually so you don't accidentally type a date in the wrong format. Click to confirm the selected date. Once you pick a day on the calendar, it should automatically fill in. But sometimes you need to click away or hit enter just to lock it in. Make sure you see the date displayed in the field with a little blue highlight. That's your confirmation that Jira actually registered it. Save the task to apply the due date. Now, this step trips a lot of people up. In some versions of Jira, the date saves automatically the moment you click away. But in others, there's a tiny Save button at the bottom of the Details panel. Look for it. It's usually gray or blue. Click it. If you close the task without saving, you'll come back later and wonder why your due date is missing. I've tested this myself more times than I'd like to admit. Check that the due date appears on the task. Go ahead and navigate back to your board or your list view. Find the same task. You should now see the due date displayed right there on the card or in the list column. If you don't see it, you might need to tweak your board's columns or your view settings. But in most standard setups, it shows up automatically. So now you've gone from missing deadlines to having clear, trackable due dates on every Jira task. That's a huge shift. You're no longer guessing when things are supposed to be done. You have a concrete timeline that everyone on your team can see. And the best part is, now that you know where that little field is hiding, you can set a due date in under 10 seconds. Go ahead, give it a try on your next task.